Zeus, I begged so he cursed once again. Not here. Nahihirapang sambit niya. Saka nangihina niya akong binaba. Tiningnan ko siya gamit ang lasing kong mga mata. Kaya nagpalinga-linga siya sa buong palapag ng bahay. This mansion is so empty. I shook my head at him. Nagtiimbagang siya sa kanya ako hinila palabas. That made me so pissed. So I pushed him. Imbis na hayaan ako mas hinila lang niya ako patungo sa loob ng kotse. And this village has an advantage of being near to his hotel. Ilang minuto lang ay nakarating na kami doon. The view of the exclusive room inside his hotel made me so excited. At nang makapasok kami sa loob ay mabilis niya akong inatake ng halik. I'll be more gentle, he whispered while kissing me aggressively. Dahan-dahan niya akong hiniga sa kama at kaagad siyang pumunta sa ibabaw ko. I spread my legs so wide to give him the access and I moaned when he positioned himself in between me. In a quick move, he already took off my dress and he unhooked my bra and using my trembling hands, I made sure to already get rid of his clothes. Nang makita niyang ginagawa ko, siya na mismo naghubad ng damit na suot niya. Zeus, I pled while he's kissing my neck. In that moment, I know that I couldn't wait any longer, so I pushed his head. Yun ang dahilan kung bakit unti-unting bumaba ang mga halik niya patungo sa tiyan ko. I can't be able to stop myself from moaning hard. And the heat spreaded even more in my whole body. I moaned so loud and that's the reason why he quickly took off his remaining clothes. This will be the last time. Let's wait until you get birth. Bulong niya, pero hindi ko na yun pinagtuunan ng pansin. I need to satisfy myself right now. I badly want to satisfy myself. We danced in the same rhythm. The room filled with our moans. We are unstoppable, but he is controlling himself. He is making everything hard for us about this intimate session. At dahil sa pagiging paranoid niya, mabilis kaming bumisita sa OB matapos iyon. I can't stop glaring at him because of that. Hindi pa naman sobrang laki ng tiyan ko. Hindi pa nga nahahalata ng iba na buntis ako. He's just too paranoid. To make sure. Dahilan pa niya na inirapan ko lang. Napatawa siya dahil doon. Saka mabilis niya akong hinapit sa bewang saka kami tuluyang pumasok sa loob ng clinic. And after we talked to our OB, I raised my brow at him. See? Inis na sambit ko dahil wala namang nangyaring masama sa baby sa tiyan ko. I'm just being careful, he murmured before caressing my tummy. Napairap na lang ulit ako at hindi ko alam pero inis na ako sa kanya hanggang sa maihatid niya ako sa opisina ko. He stayed in my office. He literally didn't left. He's just watching me while I boringly read and sign some papers. Ilang sandali pa'y tila hindi na siya nakatiis sa hindi ko pagpansin sa kanya. Kaya dahan-dahan siyang lumapit sa akin. Bahagya niyang tinukod ang isa niyang braso sa ibabaw ng lamesa ko. At ang isa naman ay nilagay niya sa sandalan ng swivel chair ko. Hey, sabi niya gamit ang marahan at malambing na boses. I glared at him. You are overreacting. Inis na sambit ko sabay tulak sa kanya pero hinila lang niya ako patayo. Siya ang umupo sa swivel chair ko sa kanya ako pinaupo sa mga hita niya. Dahan-dahan akong sumandal sa dibdib niya nang mangyari yon. And I inhaled his scent because I wanted so much. I want to marry you, he whispered. After I gave birth, I said, at nawala na bigla na parang bula lahat ng inis na nararamdaman ko kanina. I am sure now that I'll grow old with him. We will be together forever. I won't be independent from now on. I now have him. I will share everything to him. We will be together in everything. Hindi na ako mag-iisa. He's here to support me. He's here to love me. And I will love him back on my own way. He groaned before he nodded. I should have proposed earlier then, huh? He asked so I pouted a bit. I don't want to marry you with my big tummy. No way. Inis na sambit ko. You are still beautiful. Don't worry. Malambing niyang bulong kaya nawala na naman ang inis ko. He has this kind of magic. And he's using it again and again. He slowly intertwined our fingers. At doon na natili ang mga mata niya. We are both watching the ring on my ring finger as I defend my whole weight on him. Nasa ganoong posisyon kami nang biglang bumukas ang pinto. John entered at nakita ko kung paano siya napangiwi nang makita kami. Hindi ako nag-abalang tumayo. I just stared at him with my questioning eyes. Seriously? Sarkastikong sambit niya. Masumigpit ang pagkakahawak ni Sus sa bewang ko dahil kay John. What are you doing here? Zeus asked like he's the CEO of his company. Wala sa sariling napairap ako saka napangisi. Si John naman ay tumawa lang.
Chill, I won't get Julia. I'm just here to talk to her. But anyways, you are busy so I'm leaving.
John said. Hindi siya naghintay ng kahit ano mula sa akin at mabilis lang siyang umalis ng opisina ko na tila walang pakialam. Wow, he already moved on from me. I said and Zeus scoffed.
That's good because you are marrying me.
Sabi niya nang iniwian ko na lang. After a while he planted small kisses on my lips. Hinayaan ko siya, pero nang makaramdam ako ng hindi ko dapat maramdaman ay ako na mismong umiwas. He smirked because of that, and he slightly played the small button on my chest.
Balik muna tayong Davao.
Marahan na pag-aya niya. I want to go to London, I said.
Do you want to go there with me?
He sweetly asked and I nodded. I want to go anywhere with him. I think I cannot sleep when he's not beside me. This isn't good, but I love how I become so dependent to him. I am so needy. I am not the strong, boastful, and independent Julia anymore. I've changed a lot because of him. He entered my life in a good way, and he made sure that he'll win. He made sure that he casted his spell well. Ngayon hindi na ako makalayo, and I know that it's not just because of my pregnancy. It's because I love him so much. I fell in love with him so much. I am free and peaceful when I'm with him. He casted my insecurities away when he proposed, and I know that I'll be happy with him. At last, I am now at peace and free in his arms. This will be my favorite place forever. This isn't planned, but the fabricated relationship that I made became flame and now it's love. Zeus, POV.
Working in Remulia Corporation is already a lot. Since I was a fresh graduate when I entered here. Maganda silang magpasahod kaya hindi na ako naghangad pang lumipat sa ibang trabaho. This is fine. I am fine in this giant company. I am lucky because I got accepted.
Akala ko ba si Mamira lang ang anak nila sa Remulia?
I heard my office mates talking while we are in the conference hall. Ngayon daw ipapakilalang bagong magiging CEO ng kumpanya. We heard that it's the president's daughter. I am already 2 years working in this company, and I've seen the president a lot of times. He's cold and strict. I've also seen his wife and their daughter. They are all elegant, tila hindi basta-basta. But today, the younger daughter will sit as the CEO. We haven't seen her. Lahat kaming mga empleyado ay tumahimik nang bumukas ang pinto ng conference hall. The cameras of the invited media flashed as the Remulia family entered, and lastly, the woman who has fierce eyes, pointed nose, curl and shiny hair, entered with her red lipstick.
She will be the CEO?
She's Julia May Remulia. She will be your CEO from now on, Sir Remulia said, and everyone clapped their hands except me. I don't know if I was just curious, but I just stared at our new CEO. She's cold as his father. Pero nung bahagyang tumaas ang kilay niya ay alam na alam ko na kaagad na masungit rin siya. She didn't even smile. Tiningnan niya lang isa-isang mga empleyado. At nang biglang magtama ang mga mata namin ay napatayo ako ng maayos. Pero hindi man lang nagtagal ang mga mata niya sa akin ng isang segundo. Pinadaanan niya lang ako ng tingin. She's fierce. Parang lahat kaya niyang gawin. And as expected, her first month in our company is already a good proof that she's really bright. So bright that she became one of the most successful young CEOs on the country in such a short period of time. She's born for business, and I admire her, just like how my co-workers admire her. Di ba sa Remulia Corporation ka? Ito ang boss mo? Mark suddenly asked when he visited me in my apartment. Kaagad niyang inabot sa akin ang magazine, and I froze when I saw the successful Julia May Remulia. Ang ganda niya. Nakikita mo siya doon araw-araw? He asked, but my eyes stayed on the magazine with her huge photo. Kapag una mo siyang titingnan, hindi mo aakalain na namumuno siya ng isang malaking kumpanya. She's like an international model. She's even more beautiful than those highest paid models out there. Tama si Mark, ang ganda niya. Pero hanggang dun lang yon. Ikaw, Zeus, baka mawili ka na sa pagtatrabaho, Tito Joey said. Tricia's father when I visited them. Bahagya akong natawa saka umiling. Hindi naman po, Tito. Sabi ko sabay tingin kay Trisha na natatawa rin.
Pagsabihan mo nga yan pa, mas madalas pa siya sa pinagtatrabahuhan niya kaysa dito. Kung hindi aapurahin, hindi dadalaw.
She said so I cleared my throat. Nagtagal ang tingin ko sa girlfriend ko. She's important to me. I love her. I really do.
Dito ka na matulog.
She said when I was about to leave. Sorry, I have a work tomorrow. I said so she pouted. Wala sa sariling napangiti ako. She's so calm to be with. And that's what I like about her.
Baka may iba ka na.
Tanong niya kaya natawa ko saka umiling. Wala. Sabi ko kaya natatawa niya akong hinayaang umuwi sa apartment ko. Matagal na nila akong pinipilit na sa kanila na lang tumira at hindi ko na kailangan ng apartment. I stayed with them for how many months when my mother died. But I want to start on my own kahit pa unti-unti at ayoko namang umasa sa kanila. Tito Joey financed me for me to be able to finish my studies even when we are not blood related. Ngayon gusto kong bumawi. I'm contented in this kind of life. I won't ask for more. Pero ano kaya sa pakiramdam ng mga sobrang yaman? Well, I have a high salary. I can pay my rent and I can eat 3 times a day. Natutulungan ko si Trisha. I don't consider myself a rich. I am average. I am just like a third compared to her.
No!
Bigla akong napatingin sa likuran ko nang marinig ang pamilyar na boses na yon. I was about to enter the elevator when someone passed by. Kaagad kong naamoy ang isang nakaka-addict na pabango. Kaya natuon ang pansin ko sa biglaang dumaan. Nung pumasok siya sa elevator, I didn't dare to enter when her cold eyes looked at me. She's like a queen. Dapat lahat ng tao luluhod sa kanya. Isang tingin pa lang ay dapat sundin mo na lahat ng inuutos niya. She deserved that. She deserved to be treated as a queen. Unti-unting sumarang pinto ng elevator. Pero hindi ko inalis ang tingin ko sa mga mata niya hanggang sa tuluyan itong sumara. I don't usually get attracted to those kind of girls. Beautiful and rich, which is unreachable. But she's really beautiful. Minsan pakiramdam ko nagkakasala na ako dahil gustong-gusto ko siyang titigan kapag nasa meeting. Her face. She's perfect. I want to see her smile. I want her genuine smile. Laki ng problema natin ah. Nag-away ba kayo ni Trish? Renan asked when I visited their tattoo shop. Bahagya naman akong natauhan dahil sa pagsasalita niya. Kaya mabilis akong umayos ng upo saka umiling. Hindi. Sabi ko pero tumawa lang silang dalawa ni Harold. We are friends since first year high school. When me and my mother moved here, sila ang unang nakilala ko dito. Sumunod si Mark at dito rin kami madalas tumambay noon sa shop na ito noong mga magulang pa nilang nagpapatakbo. Hanggang ngayon na nakagraduate na ako ay dito pa rin ako minsan tumatambay. Patato ka? Tanong ni Harold na mabilis kong inilingan. At dahil wala silang customer ay tumabi sila sa akin at sabay-sabay kaming napatingin sa TV. At bigla akong natulala sa screen nang biglang lumabas ang balita. Grabe talagang mga mayayaman. Renan commented after the news. Highest taxpayers in the Philippines was introduced and the Julia May Remulla is one of them. Milyon-milyon sigurong mga tax nila. Sabi pa nila, bigla akong napalunok. How can be someone as perfect as her exist? Nobody's perfect, right? But that woman is perfect. I accepted that I like her, like a damn high school boy. It's just her looks maybe, and the way she handled business. But I like her. I always caught myself staring at her, pero hanggang doon lang. She's unreachable. She's way too far. She likes red. She rolled her eyes all the time. I noticed that very well. She's a typical rich girl who was probably spoiled by her parents. Kaya siguro halos taas noo sa lahat ng oras. She know her worth. She exactly know how to show her power to everyone. She's confident and proud. It suits her well. Julia May Remulla. I chuckled. Hindi nga yata ako kilala nun. I worked so hard until I got promoted. I used to see her every day. In every meetings, nakikita ko siya sa malapitan. But nothing has changed. She's still unreachable. She's beautiful when she has makeup. But I think if I saw her bare face, I will get stunned. Kailan ba kayo magpapakasal? Nawiwili ka na nga yata sa pagtatrabaho, Zeus. Gusto ko na ng apo. Tito Joey said when I visited them again. Tumawa si Trisha at ako naman ay napailing lang ng tahimik. Ikaw, Zeus, huwag mong pagurin ang sarili mo masyado. Wala namang maganda sa magiging sobrang yaman. Sapat na ito, ang layo na ng narating mo, he said and he gently tapped my shoulder. Hindi naman ako naghahangad dito. Saka gusto ko ring ibigay ang gusto nyo, gusto ni Trish. Sabi ko kaya natawa siya. Ikaw talagang bata ka, kaya masyado nang nakampante yung anak ko sa'yo. Sabi pa niya na siyang nginitian ko. Dahan-dahang hinawakan ni Trish ang kamay ko, kaya nilingon ko siya. She gently rested her hand on my shoulder. So I sighed before fixing the way I sit to make her comfortable.
I miss you,
she whispered. Nagtagal ang tingin ko sa kanya. This is where I belong. Inaya ko siyang lumabas sa bahay nila para makapag-usap kami. Nang makalabas kami, agaran niya akong niyakap ng mahigpit. I hugged her back, and I smiled at her after. Why does it feel so strange? She's my first girlfriend, and she'll probably be my last. Pero bakit ganito?
Magpakasal na tayo, Zeus.
Mahinang sambit niya. Literal na nagulat ako pero hindi ko yun ipinahalata sa kanya. Trish, I murmured. I don't know what to say. Am I ready?
Bakit? Hindi ka pa ba sigurado sa akin?
Tanong niya, dahilan para bigla akong mag-iwas ng tingin. Maybe it's the red lipstick, ha? Sige, magpakasal tayo. Sabi ko kaya mas mahigpit niya akong niyakap. I told Mark that I'm marrying Trish, my best friend. Sinabi ko rin kina Renan at Harold, at lahat sila parang inaasahan na yon. Congratulations! Mark tapped my shoulder when he barged into my apartment. Bahagya akong natawa saka inilingan na lang siya. Palagi siya dito sa apartment ko, kaya binayaan ko lang siyang tuloy-tuloy na pumasok sa loob. Lilipat yata ako sa kumpanya nyo. Bored na ako sa pinagtatrabahuhan ko. Saka invest tayo. Para sa susunod kahit hindi na tayo magtrabaho. Mabilis na sabi niya. Invest? Saan? Tanong ko kaya sinabi niya sa akin lahat ng detalye. Kaya plinano naming maigi. But in the middle of brainstorming, he suddenly got distracted. Bigla siyang tumitig sa cellphone niya na tila hindi na maalis sa mga mata niya doon. Kaya inis ko yung kinuha. I got a huge crush on your CEO. Natatawang sabi niya kaya kunot noo kong tiningnan ang laman ng cellphone niya. Halos itapon ko yun nang makita ang picture. The fucker is notified of every news about her, ha? Hindi ka papansinin yan. Inis na sambit ko dahil bigla akong nawala ng gana. Hindi ko naman susubukan. Natatawang sambit niya pero hindi ako natawa. Mas lalo pa akong nainis sa hindi ko malamang dahilan. I suddenly want to cut my connection from him. Damn, I really got it bad. Mas lumala pa. Mas lumala pa tong pagkabaliw ko. No, I'm engaged. I'll stick to it. As long as I can.
Be my boyfriend.
Tila nabingi ako nang marinig iyon. I shook my head. Biglang naging blanco ang utak ko sa narinig. Gusto kong isipin na panaginip lang to. Pero alam kong hindi. It's true that the CEO is in front of me. Julia May Remulla is in front of me. Dumaan ang kakaibang galit at inis sa mukha niya, kaya napalunok ako. I'm engaged, I said. I need to stick to it. I'll stick to it. Tito Joey was rushed in the hospital. I invested my money so I have nothing. Hindi kasha. I can file alone. I can get the 3 million that we need. But this is Julia May Remulla. And she's offering me to pretend as her boyfriend. Pretending to be her boyfriend is still cheating. I want to respect Trish. Or maybe the want inside of me to be close with her is so strong. Gusto kong tumanggi pero pinilit ko pa rin gawin. Even when I know that I'm engaged. Even when I know that I promised Tito Joey not to hurt Trisha. Even when I promised myself. Gusto ko lang pagbigyan ng sarili ko. Hindi rin ako sigurado. Parang gusto kong palabasin na pinilit ko lang ang sarili ko, but the truth is, I want this so much. I just found myself wanting to be with her. I just found myself craving for her kisses even though it's forbidden. Seeing Trisha cry when the news came out about Julia dating someone, and that's me, made me feel guilty. I'm hurt seeing her like that. I'm so guilty. I'm so fucking guilty that I want what I'm doing. I am so fucking angry because of my main enemy is myself. Hindi ko mapigilan ang sarili ko. Parang may isang pangarap ako na bigla akong naabot kahit imposible. Pero alam ko na dapat itong huminto. It's not for me, right? Trisha and her father's with me when I still have nothing. I don't want to hurt them. But I can't stop myself. I tried but it's so hard. Hanggang sa ako na mismong kusang sumuko. Julia is like a drug. She's forbidden but I want her so much. Nakaka-addict. She's literally the reason why I want to work more. She's successful. Alam kong hindi ko siya maaabot pero gusto kong subukan. I want her close to me. Gusto ko siyang abutin. Gustong gusto ko. I just can't look at her from afar. Anong problema mo? Mark asked seriously. He knows what's happening. I don't care if he's judging me right now. I just don't care. I love Trisha. I really do. I murmured. Gusto kong pagsabihan ng sarili ko. Gusto kong paniwalaan ng sarili ko. But every time I close my eyes, I see Julia. Mas lumala. I'm not just simply admiring her. It's more than that. But, Mark asked and I sighed. Wala sa sariling napatingin ako sa cellphone ko. Julia, I murmured. Every time I'm with Trisha, I feel so calm. Pero kapag si Julia ang kasama ko, palagi akong natatakot. Palagi akong hindi mapakali. I am afraid that she's too independent. Natatakot ako kasi kayang-kaya niyang mag-isa. She's well-trained. She trained herself real good. I can't fucking calm when I'm with her. Kabado ako sa bawat minuto. Parang mas lalo akong nalulunod. I feel like I want more when I am with her. While I'll feel so contented when I'm with Trisha, I can't be contented to pretend as her boyfriend. I want so much more that it's making me angry and hurt at the same time. My feelings towards her is so fierce, so strong. I couldn't control it. I want her so much. Julia May Remulla. She's unreachable, but I can't believe I am able to kiss and hold her right now. Gustuhin ko mang lumayo at bumalik kay Trisha nang tapusin niya ang contract. Ay hindi ko kaya. I tried so hard to ignore the flame that I'm feeling for Julia, but I just can't. How can she act like a snow queen after what happened between us in Cebu? I can't fucking sleep thinking that she can ignore me. She can push me that easily. Yes, ako lang ang baliw sa amin dalawa. Julia May Remulla can shatter me in small pieces. Siya lang ang may kakayahang gawin to. Kung alam ko lang na ganito, sana hindi ko pinagbigyan ng sarili ko na magpanggap na boyfriend niya. Mas lalo lang akong nabaliw sa kanya. Mas lalo lang gumulong utak ko. But I have this toxic side. I don't care if I feel guilty. I don't care if I hurt Trish. I don't care about anything as long as I'm with Julia. I'm sorry. Nagsisising sabi ko kay Trisha. Kita kong pagdaloy ng mga luha mula sa mga mata niya, kaya napapikit ako ng mariin. I loved her for real. I love her in a calm and easy way, but what I'm feeling towards Julia is too strong. It's unacceptable. Binubuhay at pinapatay ako sa parehong oras. I need to do this. I want to be with Julia. I don't want her to push me. Ayokong pagsabayin. Gusto kong itama. This time I'll make sure that I'm doing it right. Nakikipaghiwalay ka sa akin? Wag, Zeus! She begged and she tries to hold my arm. But I stepped back before shaking my head. I'm really sorry. Akong may kasalanan. Hindi ko napigilan ang sarili ko. I'm sorry for hurting you. I'm really sorry. Nanginginig na sambit ko. I feel guilty for hurting Trisha. Pero hindi ko naman kayang hayaan na lang na ganito. Gusto kong isiksik ang sarili ko kay Julia. Ngayong parang abot kamay ko na siya, ay ayaw kong palampasin ang pagkakataon. It sounds ironic, but I've never been so sure about my decision before. But right now, I'm so much sure that I want her. I want her for myself. I don't care if her parents doesn't approve. Ako naman ang magmamahal. I love her so much. Si Julia naman ang mamahalin ko. But I think I will never be contented. Kahit sobrang lapit na namin ay gusto ko pa ng mas malapit. Hindi ko alam na may ganitong klaseng pagmamahal. Pinupukaw nitong kagustuhan kong mas maging matagumpay. Maybe because I want to deserve Julia so much. This kind of love is strong. It's fierce. Sa kanya ko lang nararamdaman. I can't believe that the woman I used to stare at and watch back then is sleeping beside me now. I can already kiss her whenever I want. I can already hug her. I can already touch her. It's a dream come true. I never wished for this because I know that she's way too far. But this happened. At wala akong ibang gagawin kundi yakapin at tanggapin. I will embrace her. I will give my life to her. Sa maikling panahon na magkasama kami, ay tila nakikita ko na sa utak ko ang gusto kong mangyari para sa aming dalawa. I never felt this when I was with Trish. I want to work hard to buy us a house. I want to invest more. I want to spoil her, even though I know that she's got everything. I want to be even better. I know that in this lifetime, we'll be together forever. Or not. Buntis ako, Zeus. Buntis ako, ikaw ang ama. Pwede palang hindi sumaya kapag ganoon. Parang lahat sa akin naglaho nang marinig kong sinigaw ni Trisha. Every baby is a blessing. Pero pwede bang magsustento na lang ako? What about Julia? Buntis ako, Zeus. Pero parang wala kang pakialam. Trisha shouted and I clenched my jaw. Maybe I'm really for Trish. Nabulag lang ako kay Julia. I tried so hard to be a good man towards Trisha and her pregnancy. Nung buhay pa si Mama ay palagi niyang sinasabi sa akin na dapat maging mabuti akong ama. I don't have a father. I didn't have the chance to know him. So I want my baby to have a complete family. And for this to happen, I need to let go of someone I really want to take care of. That's someone that I want to be with. Samahan kita sa OV? Tanong ko kay Trisha nang binisita ko siya sa bahay nila. I've decided to continue what we started. Ito yata ang tama. Yes, this is the right thing. Mabilis siyang umiling sa kapagak na tumawa.
Wag na. Alam kong busy ka sa trabaho.
She said and I nodded. I want to be a man. I want to continue my life. But it's so hard to work in the same place where I know that I can remember her every day. She left so I must move forward. Umiiyak kaya siya? Where is she? She's hurting. I know. I badly want to hug her. But I know that I can't. Wala sa sariling natulala ako sa rooftop. I clenched my fist. I don't know that missing someone could make me crazy. I can't function well. I can't even sleep well. I'm missing her so bad. Makakatulong siguro kung magre-resign na lang ako. In that case, maybe I can slowly forget her. I can give my attention to Trisha. I'll file a resignation. Mahinang sabi ko kay Mark na halatang halata na kanina niya pa ako pinagmamasdan. But I appreciate that he stayed silent. He didn't judge me in my craziness. But I really need to resign. Bakit? Ang tanong na mahirap sagutin. Bakit pa ako magre-resign kung wala naman na si Julia dito? That's it. Hinahanap ko siya bawat segundo. May mga oras na gusto kong pumasok sa dati niyang opisina. Dahil baka nandoon siya na alam ko namang wala. I'm going crazy. This is so fucking hard. It's your choice. The company's facing a strong recession, so maybe it's fine to resign. Mark said, but I didn't answer him. Yes, I'll resign.
Zeus, right?
Mira smirked when she saw me in the lobby. Hindi ko maiwasang mapatitig sa mukha niya. Her eyes are the same with Julia's. Medyo hawig sila. Mabilis akong nag-iwas ng tingin dahil sa naisip.
Gusto mong malaman kung nasan siya?
I could hear her sarcastic tone, but her words got me. Muli akong napatingin sa kanya, kaya mas lalo siyang ngumisi at umira. I swallowed hard. No, I don't want to know.
She's in London,
she said before turning her back at me. London? Nang makauwi ako sa apartment ko ay kaagad kong tinignan ng presyo at details ng flights patungong London. But in the middle of checking, I suddenly closed my laptop because I realized something. I don't need to follow her. And I can't follow her. I won't follow her because she came back. And the moment I saw her walking inside Remulia Corporation, I immediately decided not to pass my resignation letter. I'll stay. I want to stay. Kahit yata anong pilit kong kumbinsihin ng sarili ko na layuan siya, ay ako rin mismong lumalapit. I just can't watch her being hurt. Gusto kong palaging isamang sarili ko. Gustong gusto ko siya. Gustong gusto ko. And knowing that Trisha isn't really pregnant hurts me a lot. Pero mas lamang ang saya. I'm sorry but I'm happy knowing that Trisha isn't carrying my child but Julia. I feel guilty for hurting Trisha over and over again. But I can't let Julia run away from me again. I can't let her push me. Ipipilit ko pa rin. Siya lang talaga. I have this flame inside of me which craves for Julia. Kissing her is my heaven. Hugging her is my comfort. She's the one I need. I badly want to wake up next to her every morning. I want to sleep while hugging her. I want my arms wrapped around her all the time. I want her so bad. I love her so bad. Minsan nga iniisip ko na kulang ang salitang mahal sa nararamdaman ko sa kanya. It's stronger than that. It's obsession. In a good way. At kahit anong mangyari kukunin ko siya. She's mine. I'm all hers too. I love her every second because she deserves that. At nang gabing hindi siya nakauwi sa akin, ay alam ko na kaagad na may nangyari. Hindi ako mapakali. And the news welcomed me the next morning. That she's marrying someone which is not me made me so angry. How can she marry someone when she's very pregnant with my child? Anong gagawin mo? You can't even walk. Mark frustratedly said, but I shook my head. Wala akong pakialam sa kung anong mangyari sa akin. Mr. Remulia's men can punch me all they want, but it won't stop me from getting Julia from them. No, kailangan kong kunin ang mag-ina ko. She's fucking pregnant. Galit na sigaw ko. Kahit araw-araw pa akong mabugbog, kailangan ko silang kunin. Her parents weren't good. They are worst. And thinking that she's crying in that huge house without someone hurts me a lot. She will not marry anyone except me. I'll run away with her. I am so willing to leave everything behind so I could go with her. Tutulong ako, Mira said when she accidentally saw me outside their village. I'll get Julia no matter what happens. Kahit mabaril pa ako ay wala na akong pakialam. Tell your fucking father to let her go. Galit na sambit ko. Itatakas natin siya. I'll message you later. Itatakas natin siya. We need to plan it well. We need to hurry. Huwag kang magpadalos-dalos. Sabi niya at mabilis akong iniwan. And thanks God we succeeded on sneaking her out. Dahil kung hindi ko na alam kung anong magagawa ko. I'll probably start a war. Wala akong pakialam kung lugi man ako. After everything that has happened, I even more realized that my feelings for her are too deep, so fierce and strong, that I don't care if I die for her. I don't care if I die as long as she's safe. I want her to be free. I want her to feel the peacefulness that she wants. And I'll give her that. I'll make her feel that she's loved. I'll make sure that she's calm when she's with me. I think I will never be content. I whispered while hugging her from behind. Kahit hindi ko kita ang mukha niya, ay alam ko na kaagad na umirap siya. I laughed because of it, so she pinched my arm. Ang pikon. Let me go! Inis na sambit niya, kaya dahan-dahan ko siyang pinaharap sa akin. Or maybe I will, after our wedding? I asked but she rolled her eyes again. Nakakainis ka. Inis na sambit niya, kaya mas lalo ko siyang niyakap palapit sa akin. I made sure that our baby's safe even though I want to hug the mother so tight. It's time to face your fears. I sweetly whispered before holding her hand. Dahan-dahan ko siyang hinila palapit sa dalampasigan, kung saan maaabot kami ng tubig dagat. No. Kaagad na tanggi niya, pero nginitian ko lang siya. Ma'am, I'm here. I said so she sighed before letting her feet get wet by the salt water. After that, I hugged her again. Zeus, nanginginig na sambit niya, kaya marahan ko siyang pinatakan ng halik sa noo. You don't need to be afraid. I'm here. Hindi kita pababayaan. I whispered. Umuwi na tayo. Nangihinang sambit niya. Dahilan para dahan-dahan ko siyang buhatin na gustong-gusto niya. She immediately rested her face near my neck, and I felt her sniff my scent. Napangiti ako dahil doon. Saka mas inayos kong pagkakabuhat ko sa kanya. We'll stay here in Zamboanga, as long as you want. I whispered before walking towards our house. For Indian Mango, she sleepily whispered. I love her so much. I love her. Nasa akin na siya pero hindi pa rin ako mapakali. I love her so much. I'll make sure that I love her in the right way, so she won't leave me. Kapag naiinis siya sa akin sa susunod ay hahabulin ko pa rin siya. Nang makarating kami sa bahay ay mabilis ko siyang idiniretso sa kwarto. It's time to sleep for the pregnant. Nang dahan-dahan ko siyang ihiga sa kamay, marahan niya akong hinila para huwag lumayo. I smiled because of that, before gently kissing her on the lips. Mabilis niyang binalik ang mga halik ko. And in that moment, I know what she wants. I love you. I whispered lovingly while kissing her in a passionate and sweet way. Dahan-dahan akong pumaibabaw sa kanya. I made sure that her tongue is safe as I kiss her deeply.
Don't leave,
she begged. I won't, I answered while still kissing her. She doesn't need to beg because I will never leave. Ako dapat ang magmakaawa na huwag niyang iwan. Dahil malabong akong aalis. I am so crazy for her. I am so crazy and I'm deeply in love. Yes, I am making love with Julia May Remulla. The woman I used to admire is carrying my child. And soon she's marrying me. I'm sure I'm gonna spoil our child because I am spoiling the mom right now. I laughed before taking her clothes off.
I love you.
Nalalasing na sambit niya, kaya muli ko siyang hinalikan sa mga labi. Her I love you is expensive. Minsan ko lang marinig kaya hindi maiwasang magwala ng puso ko sa tuwing sinasabi niya yan. She can really make me crazy without even lifting a finger. She owns me, the whole of me. I love you so much too. I whispered while making her feel the words that I said. I want to plan our wedding as soon as possible. Para matapos niyang mga anak ay wala na kaming problema. I'm excited to marry her. Sa aming dalawa ay akong mas sabik. It's understandable. Ilang taon akong nakontento sa patingin-tingin lang sa malayo. God, I know I deserve her. Giving her to me is such a big blessing. I never regret choosing and chasing her. I will never. Hindi rin pala madali. But having her right now is worth it. Embracing her every day gives me strength. I want to build a huge family with her. She will be Julia May Anderson. She will be my wife. Are you ready to carry my name? I teased so she rolled her eyes. Natawa na lang rin ako sa kamarahan na pinisilang tungki ng ilong niya. She's really beautiful.
Tell your child to go out soon so I could marry you.
She answered so I laughed before kissing her again. Ang tagal. Mahinang sambit ko.
Why are you so eager? Hindi naman ako makukuha ng iba.
Those words from her gives me satisfaction. Kailan ba ako masasanay na mahal niya ako? It feels so unreal. Hindi naman kita ibibigay sa iba. I whispered lovingly. I will never get tired of showing her my feelings. I'll shower her with my love every day. I'll make sure of that.
Hindi lahat ng pag-ibig ay mabilis mo lang makukuha. Hindi lahat ng pagmamahal ay malaya mo lang na maipadarama kung kailan mo gusto. Minsan sadyang kalaki pang maraming pagsubok. Kaakibat ang maraming sakripisyo na dapat mong ialay para makamit ang pag-ibig. At may alay ang pagmamahal na nais mong ibigay. Maraming aral ang mapupulot sa istorya ni na Julia at Zeus. At sa huli, mananaig at mananaig pa rin ang pagmamahal. Walang makatatalo kung puso ang pinairal. Sa pagtatapos ng istoryang ito, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli.